How to delete all history on Chrome. Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you a quick and easy way to delete all of your browsing history on Google Chrome. First off, you want to open up Google Chrome application on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account where you want to delete your history. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Now you can find the history tab right over here. If you don't see it, you want to just go to settings, go to privacy and security, and then here you'll find delete browsing data. Now, if you want to delete all of your data, you basically have to tap on the time, and right besides it, you'll find a drop down. Currently, it's selected to last 7 days. I'll just tap on the drop down, and then I'm going to select all time. Once you do that, make sure to check all of the boxes over here, and then you could just tap on delete data. Now you could just tap on delete if you want to clear everything. I don't want to do it right now because I need some of the stuff. So I'm just basically showing you guys how to do it. Now you basically have to tap on delete and all of the data will be deleted from your account. This includes all of your browsing history, cookies and site data, your cached image and files, tabs, saved passwords, autoform beta, and more. But if you just want any specific data, you could just select some of the data you want. Let's say if I just want to delete autoform data and then you site settings, I can do that. Or if I want to include cookies in the site data, I can do that as well. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.